to what I can do in these fine threads. Hi-ya! Sorry, pajamas. I'm wearing this to bed from now on.
Woohoo! My time machine. Perfect!
Oh, I look awesome. Looking good! When the going gets tough, the tough blow bubbles. Mr. Krabs isn't gonna like this. Oh, wow!
Can I borrow $1? Well, this stinks. Shields up! Feels like I've been waiting a lifetime to say that.
Come on, Plankton. Let's do hands in the middle. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Can I borrow $1? Oh, well, it was a nice try.
Sponge on the run. Normal size sandwiches are already huge to me. This is outrageous. Hey. Are we there yet? Sorry I had to ask. Feels like I've been waiting a lifetime to say that.
Truth be told, I'm really better at sprinting.
Ahoy!
Stepping on the beach. Stepping on the beach.
Getting out of the way now.
Go ahead and make yourself dinner. I'll be home later. Mr. Krabs isn't gonna like this.
Avenge me! Sponge on the run.
Mermaid Man, at your command.
Woohoo! My time machine, perfect!
Pretty sweet breads, eh?
Ahoy! Is it me or is it starting to feel like this running is endless?
Dodging that!
I knew I should have brought my wallet. I was made for this! We're both invertebrates, aren't we? Well, this stinks. Keep your eyes on the road!
Is it me, or is it starting to feel like this running is endless?
Now's as good a time as any for a shield.
This looks familiar.
Right about now, I'd give my eye teeth for a cab ride.